In tropical farms, the journey of exotic frog leather begins with sustainable harvesting of bullfrogs.
Frogs are humanely collected and placed in crates for immediate processing.
Careful sorting ensures only mature bullfrogs are selected for skin quality. Skins are expertly removed to preserve their delicate texture.
Initial rinsing removes residues while maintaining skin integrity.
Skins are briefly air-dried before preservation.
Salting preserves the raw skins for transport.
Bundled skins are prepared for chilled transport.
Sustainable farming supplies consistent raw material year-round.
Temperature control prevents degradation en route.
The cleanup is complete.
The farm resets for the next harvest cycle.
Multiple farms supply the specialized factory.
Raw skins arrive at the factory for transformation into luxury leather. The raw salted skins reach the specialized leather processing facility. Precise scheduling ensures immediate unloading upon arrival. Chilled raw materials are transferred directly into the facility.
Documentation tracks every batch for quality and traceability.
Temporary cold storage maintains preservation before processing. Internal transport moves raw skins deeper into the factory.
Batches are stored in organized rows, awaiting desalting. Excess salt is removed before soaking begins. Controlled soaking durations optimize skin condition.
Water quality is constantly monitored for perfect rehydration.
Rehydrated skins emerge ready for cleaning.
Excess water drains away before sorting.
Initial quality checks eliminate imperfect raw material.
Only premium raw skins continue to processing.
Cleaned and sorted, the skins now enter the factory's core transformation. The modern exotic leather factory stands ready for precise transformation.
Strict access control maintains hygiene and security standards.
The facility layout optimizes flow from raw intake to finished goods. Mandatory hand hygiene precedes entry into production zones. Observation points allow oversight before entering wet areas.
The wet processing zones begin with thorough cleaning. Engineered airflow controls humidity and temperature precisely.
Environmental monitoring maintains ideal conditions for delicate skins.
Continuous material supply feeds the cleaning operations.
Team efficiency ensures consistent cleaning quality. Constant oversight maintains the highest standards.
Thoroughly cleaned, the skins advance to core processing. Thoroughly cleaned skins now undergo detailed sorting and preparation. Expert eyes assess each skin for size, color, and imperfections. Precise sizing categorizes skins for optimal tanning batches. Only flawless skins advance to the delicate tanning stages.
Digital tracking follows every batch through the factory.
Controlled chemical soaking begins the core cleaning process. Timed limbing ensures thorough yet gentle fiber preparation. Precise chemistry preserves the delicate frog skin structure. Multiple rinses neutralize and clean the prepared skins. Neutral pH is critical before the next delicate steps. Manual fleshing ensures perfectly clean dermis exposure.
Expertise prevents damage to the valuable grain layer.
Perfectly prepared, the skins await the tanning transformation. Initial cleaning complete, the true transformation into luxury leather begins. The heart of the factory begins with pickling to prepare for tanning. Even loading ensures uniform chemical absorption. Pickling lowers pH and preserves the open fiber structure. Timed cycles prevent overexposure of delicate skins. Spent chemicals are recovered for environmental compliance. Pickled skins are now primed for permanent tanning.
Choice of tanning method defines the final leather character.
Automated systems ensure precise tanning conditions.
Tanning agents bind permanently to collagen fibers.
Regular sampling confirms full tannage depth.
Setting controls shrinkage and flatness.
Vacuum drying preserves natural texture without heat damage. Controlled drying prevents cracking in thin exotic leather. Dry leather now awaits softening and finishing.
Perfect. Quality gates ensure only perfect leather continues.
Core processing complete, the leather enters refinement stages.
The stiff leather now undergoes mechanical softening for luxury feel. Staking breaks fiber bonds to achieve exceptional suppleness. Repeated staking ensures uniform softness across batches.
Controlled rehumidification prepares leather for final milling. Dry milling enhances natural drape and grain definition.
Hours of tumbling create the signature soft hand of frog leather.
Milled leather reveals its full luxurious potential. Final setting locks in shape and eliminates wrinkles.
Gentle pressing ensures permanent flatness.
Final drying stabilizes the transformed material.
Precise conditions prevent over-drying of thin exotic skins.
The base leather is now ready for enhancement.
Selective dyeing accentuates the natural beauty of frog leather.
Transparent dyes preserve the unique, bumpy texture.
Custom colors meet luxury brand specifications. Rapid drying fixes the rich hues permanently.
Scientific precision ensures perfect color reproduction.
Final transformation complete. The raw skin is now million-dollar luxury leather.
Advanced automation refines the luxury leather to perfection.
AI-powered vision detects microscopic flaws instantly. Automation removes imperfections before final finishing.
Robotics handle delicate stacking without marking the surface.
Driverless transport moves finished leather efficiently.
Automation prepares samples for rigorous testing.
Every square centimeter is tracked for yield optimization. Seamless automation bridges production to testing.
Digital twins preserve records of every premium skin.
Final automated protection before quality validation. High-tech systems deliver flawless leather for final approval.
Human expertise validates the automated perfection.
Final precision work elevates the leather to couture standards. Digital nesting maximizes yield from each precious skin.
Zero-contact cutting preserves the delicate surface.
Piecework organization prepares for brand-specific finishing. Discreet branding adds exclusive value.
Edge finishing enhances comfort and durability. Manual touches perfect. The automated work.
Meticulous final inspection guarantees flawlessness. Whole skins are prepared for direct client delivery. Order-specific packaging begins fulfillment. Full traceability accompanies every luxury item.
Precision finishing complete. The leather is ready for certification.
Documentation verifies origin and craftsmanship.
Visual records preserve the artistry of each batch.
Global destinations await these million-dollar materials.
Secure storage protects the finished luxury leather.
The transformation journey nears its commercial conclusion.
And this is how modern factories produce exotic frog leather from start to finish.
Every batch undergoes exhaustive laboratory testing before release.
Random sampling ensures representative quality verification. Visual inspection confirms flawless surface finish.
Mechanical tests verify exceptional tear resistance. Flex endurance guarantees longevity in luxury goods. Light fastness ensures colors remain vibrant over time. Abrasion resistance protects against daily wear.
Chemical analysis confirms eco and regulatory standards.
Zero detectable contaminants meet luxury brand requirements. Dimensional consistency critical for high-end manufacturing.
Protective coatings deliver excellent water resistance.
Safety standards met for international markets.
Comprehensive testing confirms premium quality.
Official certification accompanies every shipment. Ready for packaging and global dispatch.
Quality-approved leather enters the final logistics stage.
All right, these batches are ready for the loading bay.
Final packaging protects the million-dollar material during global transport.
Acid-free materials prevent any degradation in storage.
Tailored packaging matches the exclusivity of the product.
Tamper-evident seals guarantee untouched delivery.
Precise documentation prepares for international customs.